I would say some things have been harder and some things have been easier, but the thesis and I knew that in order to be successful and achieve the mission of being this one-stop shop, we would need to have a lot of capital, and that's definitely been the case. And we've been fortunate to have the capital. I think it would have been a lot harder for us to get the capital if we didn't have a SPAC IPO. A lot of the people said, Anthony, why did you go the route of a SPAC? You did probably 100 IPOs when you were an analyst at a banker. And I said, I actually needed to raise a significant amount of capital at once with certainty in order to apply for a bank license because my balance sheet was primarily equity, was primarily preferred equity. In order to take out the preferred equity, I needed to have a meaningful valuation and meaningful amount of capital to do so. And so that was a challenge that wasn't anticipated, but the SPAC enabled that to happen. And it was a very unique product for us and worked out quite well. In addition to that, the regulatory process, you have advisors, you have outside legal teams, bankers. No one can predict what happens in the regulatory process. They have expectations. They give great advice, but it comes down to personalities. It comes down to politics. It comes down to what's happening in the economy, what's happening in the macroeconomic environment. And so the path to a bank, well, we got the bank license. I'm very happy that we have, and it's been incredibly valuable to us. The path there was very turbulent, and it took a lot of skills I didn't know that it would take to get to. So that was a surprise. I thought there'd be more successful companies competitively. I was really worried about Goldman Sachs. I was worried about a couple of other players copying our strategy and going after the same end game. And they've all kind of failed at this point. And I know that sounds very egotistical, but the facts are the facts. We're the only one operating in 9 products at $2 billion of revenue, got profitable at our long-term margins and driving tangible book value growth. I thought it would be a longer war.
What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be covering the SoFi stock. We have a lot of great information for you guys today. If you find any of this information useful, be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We will be keeping you updated daily on all the breaking news with the SoFi stock. Guys, we know that SoFi has been investing very aggressively since they hit the public markets the last 3 or so years. All of their products are now fully integrated. And what do they need to do right now to get to that next level? They need to continue with brand awareness and skyrocketing on marketing, NFL partnerships. We now have the NBA partnership with the official bank of the NBA. It's all about getting as many users to the platform as possible, as fast as possible, to take away market share from our other competitors, the top 5 legacy banks. Those are really the competitors that Noto is still worried about. The JP Morgans, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, Morgan Stanley, and those are the ones we're stealing the market share from when it comes to deposits, users. I believe SoFi is going to be the fastest growing bank in America for the next 5 years. But guys, when you really look at the numbers and where they are really going to be at in users in just the next 3 years, guys, it's absolutely insane how fast this company is truly growing. And I think once we get the, NBA numbers on, what type of, dividends that's going to be paying for us, on Q1 member growth, I really think Q2, Q3, and Q4, we're going to potentially see that 1 million member mark on the back end of the year, guys. It's going to be a record-breaking quarter by the end of the year. And I'm very excited to see, what type of profit SoFi is turning. I really think the stock is going to run hard. My price target is still over $20 for 2024. All right, guys, and we officially got, full institutional ownership updated. I know you guys get very excited with this. Some updates come earlier than the others. I was just looking at Fintel, but this is one that we're going to be looking at today, guys. This is Norges Bank of Norway opens a new position, total 7.1 million shares. So this is a foreign bank, and a lot of people said they like their integrity from what I read in some of the comments. But just know that they did purchase a brand new position of 7.1 million shares. Now, guys, what you're seeing here, you might feel this could be a little bit dirty or manipulated. I don't know. I don't really have any comments on this ownership, but yes, guys, Citadel has updated their filing, 632% increase in shares. Total 4.5 million shares. Guys, I understand these guys are the market makers. They can do some crazy things with, purchasing stock. Short, long, short, puts, calls, borrowing. I know it's just absolutely insane, what a company can do with the shares that they have, but take this however you want. I'm just saying that Citadel has increased their position by 632%. All right, guys, and this is the top 15 institutional investors. This is officially updated. I think we had about 12 to 13 that were officially updated on our last post, but this is like the last 3 that have officially came in. And out of the top 15, guys, we got 10 buys, 2 no changes in their position, and then 3 sells, guys. Vanguard coming in number 1, BlackRock, Silver Lake, State Street, God Capital, 2 Sigma. Morgan Stanley was one of the new updates. Norges Bank was one of the new updates. Goldman Sachs, Charles Schwab, Millennium, Citadel was one of the updates. Northern Trust, Axel Growth, and Nico Assets. And we have a little bit of a bonus section at the bottom, guys. So ARK update. So you can see ARK holds over 7 million shares right now. So they would come in at number 8 currently, but you won't get a file update till the end of Q1 in like the next 2-3 months. So as of right now, you know, they would be above Norges Bank right here behind Morgan Stanley. So they are in the top 8 as of total shares right now because we can see their day-to-day buys. So guys, as you can see, out of the top 15, 10 buys coming in, okay? 2 no position changes and 3 sells. I mean, look at some of these changes coming in. A 241% increase, a 632% increase, a 646% brand new position on Norges Bank. So this is extremely bullish in my personal opinion. That's why you're seeing the stock, you know, hold up a little bit better, you know, after this last earnings. I believe this stock is going to run hard over the next, you know, 2 earnings reports if they continue to show profitability. You're going to see all these guys, you know, double down on their positions, see new positions come in. $20 price target. I think we're going to go higher than that by the end of 2024. So guys, we've covered this post in the back end of 2023, but guys, this was a post made by you know, a data made by Cornerstone Advisors, I believe. And guys, check this out, guys. Okay, you can see the list of names in this post are SoFi, Chime, PayPal, Wells Fargo. Digital banks and fintechs dominate new checking account openings. Digital banks and fintechs capture nearly 47% of all new checking accounts opened so far in 2023, guys. Absolutely insane. You scroll down a little bit further, you can see winners and losers, SoFi and Wells Fargo. In 2020, SoFi accounted for 1% of new account openings, and Wells Fargo's share was 8.1%, 800% higher than SoFi's. In the first half of 2023, SoFi's market share quadrupled to 4%, while Wells Fargo's share dropped by more than half to 3.5%. So that's what I keep telling you guys about. These legacy banks like a Wells Fargo are just hanging on by a thread, you know, giving their customers back no interest, charging these high fees, and no one wants to sign up with a new account with them. And just look, guys, at the data below. It shows you in colors, blue, a light blue, gray, and then the green is the 2023. And this shows you percentage of new checking accounts opened by the type of institution. You can see the mega banks are down here. Community banks have, you know, no market share. Credit unions are under 10%. And then digital banks and fintechs just dominate at 47% of new account openings. Wait until we get the data for 2024, guys. I'm telling you right now, I think SoFi is going to hit new record growth for member growth every single quarter. And by the end of the year, I think we're going to be clipping 1 million members. Now look at this, guys. This is our NBA partnership deal. This is going to be printing massive dividends, in my opinion. It just happened a week ago. But guys, take a look at this. So if I just marketed aggressively during the NBA All-Star Weekend with commercial advertising plus digital print advertising on the NBA courts live, they're also getting huge branding on the NBA.com website, which gets 73 million monthly views. The photo below shows live advertising on the website right now, guys. So look, right here is just the website viewers, total visits 73 million. But look below, guys. This is the marketing going on that website that gets 73 million views a month. Look, guys, big old ad. Official bank of the NBA. So, guys, you're getting a combination effect of, you know, live gameplay marketing, court digital advertising, and the NBA website advertising. So just a combination of everything at once. You're probably also going to get, you know, the announcers just mentioning the SoFi stock a couple times per, you know, big playoff games. Just this is really going to start to snowball during the NBA playoffs, which should happen in Q2, and by the end of the beginning of the Q3, it should be ending. So guys, it's absolutely huge for the first, you know, 3 quarters, you know, of the year for SoFi's growth. So guys, take a look at this. This was like a article published May 2019, so 5 years ago. And this is when SoFi was ranked like top 50 on CNBC. So what I want you to see is the summary written 5-6 years ago. Look at this, guys. The company claims to have 500,000 members. I believe this is in 2018. So SoFi, we already know, is at 7.5 million members right now. So take a look at the growth, guys. SoFi had 500,000 members in 2018. They just finished with 7.5 million members in 2023. That's a 1,400% gain in members under Anthony Noto, because that's when he took over in 2018. NFL stadium deal has paid massive dividends to the success. SoFi is now partnering up with the NBA as the official bank of the NBA. SoFi will dominate the banking sector if they can get to 1 million members additions quarterly, guys. That's what we want to see. That's that magical number. I think they will achieve this number in Q4 2024 under the NFL and NBA brand marketing if they do hit 1 million member quarterly ads sometime in 2024. These are my 3-year projections. So we're not talking 5 years out. We're not talking 10 years out. Look how big this company could be in the next 3 years, under 3 years, because guys, we're already going into March. So we're talking 2 years and 75%. Okay. We are looking very good, guys. 2024, my projections are 10.5 million. That's 3 million member ads. 2025, I think we're going to be at a million quarterly, 14.5 million. 2026, 19 million members, guys. This is absolutely insane. And understand, management has huge bonuses that they're going to get. $100 million bonuses for Noto if he can get this stock to $45 by 2026. This is how you do it. So don't think management is slacking off at all, guys. They are making these huge brand awareness deals to get everyone to see their products and see the benefit of going with a fully digital bank like a SoFi. So guys, this is going to pay off huge, this NBA deal. You're going to see this start to kick in immediately in this Q1. I am so excited for earnings, guys. Earnings are going to be coming out in a matter of no time. We're less than 2 months away probably from the Q1 earnings report. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoy doing these videos for you. Once again, if you find any of this information useful, be sure to subscribe to the channel. We will be keeping you updated daily. Once again, my name is Kyle. Thank you for watching the Stock Goat YouTube channel. Have a great day.